part 12 and the very final part of my neighbor Josh's coop build. So we got everything painted and let it dry, and the last step was to add hardware cloth around the entire coop. And honestly, it was the worst part of the whole thing. We hate working with hardware cloth, but it is 100% necessary. So Josh and I got as much up as we could. The really nice thing about the plans that we used from Etsy is that they placed the studs so that it's easy to put the hardware cloth up. And then it got dark, so we recruited my husband to come help us give some light and finish up the coop. Working in the dark with hardware cloth was a next level. Also, I have to say, it was freezing even though Josh just wears shorts and a t-shirt every day of his life. So don't be fooled, it was cold. But we got everything up and secured with a staple gun, and then we're gonna go back through and put some screws and washers in. We bought one of those automatic staple guns. It was a Ryobi, so it uses a battery, and it really helped get the hardware cloth up so that we can come back through and screw everything in tighter. Here is a little tour of everything. The automatic coop door is set to open at 6:30 a.m. and close at 5:30 p.m. right now, and it is working beautifully. And I'll do another video of me getting everything set up, but here's me trying to lure the girls in. They were so unsure of it, even though throughout the entire build, they had been playing on everything that we were building, but we finally got them moved in. Stay tuned. Okay, bye.